Viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, today we will learn how to update vaccination certificate or information over the DHA website. The people who are outside country or they are inside country. So we will also learn how to update information over the ICA and Al Husn app. So stay with me. We will start. As I am on the already DHA website, we have to go to the COVID-19 services, COVID-19 vaccination card update. We will click here. So guys, when you click here, it's written COVID-19 vaccination card update issue request. So this is the vaccination for the private or DHA health authority. You can read it. Our main purpose is for the people who are outside country. So let's start. I will write the name. You have to write full name as the surname sequence, your mobile number. If you have your MRID, definitely you have to write here with the sequence mentioned here. I entered my passport number. MRN number is your certificate number. This is not mandatory. Nationality, just for saving the time, I already entered. The main important thing is COVID vaccination center. So when you click here, there are a lot of center inside country. If you are inside country, you have to click here, but we are doing for the outside, so outside UAE. Certificate type, we have to click on the DHA certificate because we have to submit by the DHA certificate over the website. So we will click here. So here guys, in the issue you can write vaccination taken outside country, UAE, Pakistan or India or any country for travel. So we will upload the certificate whatever you have, you took from your local authority as per your country. So you have to click here. So you will select the COVID certificate. We will click on I am not robot. And before you submit, you have to check your all details once again. There should be no error, otherwise you will face problem. To check your email, everything is okay. So when you submit, you will receive an OTP for the confirmation verification. So I submitted already. When you submit, and you will receive this success. So guys, when you submitted your certificate by the DHA website, you can log into your Al Husn app. So guys, in the app you will see all your information, your test, negative test. If you travel from Abu Dhabi to any other city, you have to, if you travel any other city, Abu Dhabi or Dubai, you should have your Al Husn app always green. They will allow you to travel. So this is the main important thing. So if you want to download your certificate, you have to click over the arrow. it will download your certificate. So this is the procedure of updating your vaccination certificate. If you are inside or outside, now we will go to the ICA website. We will check how to update the information over there. So I am on the smart services ICA. So there is new update. You have to go to the down, update vaccination information. We will click start. It's very easy. I already done in the register arrivals, but this is the part of that. So guys, here you have to write your unified number. If you do not have your unified number, you have to click over the arrow. You have to find your UID number. It's very easy. Then you have to enter your name, Arabic name, which will come automatically, your nationality, date of birth, gender, of course your mobile number, which is also important, and the most thing important is your email. You have to write your valid passport. It's very easy, you can do by yourself. Your vaccination type, whatever the vaccination you have to from your home country, which is approved by the UE, you can select here. It's very easy. First vaccination date, second vaccination date, and if you have any third vaccination dose, you can also submit here. But there are second is mandatory and first is the mandatory. So guys, which is the most important thing, COVID vaccination card, you have to convert in PDF, which is very easy. You can do it at online. So instead of JPG, you have to convert in PDF. So you have to click here to upload, then you have to select your file number to upload in PDF. If you have the scanner, then you have to go to this scanner option, but we do not have the scanner. And after that you have to click over here declaration and I am not robot and send. This is the information you have to enter here. If you are outside your country or you are inside your country, in both ways you can do it. Then so guys, in both ways you can do it in by DHA if you are outside the country or if you are inside the country, and this will automatically updated in Al Hosn. So when you configure your Al Hosn, you can find your certificate over there, and over the ICA, the people who has the visa from Abu Dhabi and other Emirat, they can do by the ICA, and the people who have the visa from the Dubai, they can do by the DHA. And Al Hosn app is for the for the travel. If you want to travel from one city to other city, or you can access shopping malls and other places, that then your Al Hosn app should be your status should be in green. There are 4 status, you can check by yourself. It's very easy. Hopefully this short video is fruitful for you. I will paste the contact details in my description box. You can make contact to the Ministry of Health. They will help you if you are finding any errors. I request you to subscribe my channel and like my channel and share with your friend. Thank you for watching.